Good morning, student of Standard 4. I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. Now, children, today I am going to start my session with a beautiful thought. Now, I am going to read it. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. Children, it's that simple. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. With this beautiful thought, I'm going to start my session with the algebraic expression of multiplication. So here children, this is the algebraic expression of multiplication cross sign. So there are some keywords which are used in order to explain this multiplication. As much, by, equal groups, groups of, lots of, multiply, multiplied by, per, times and product of. What are the keywords of multiplication? As much, yes, yes. By, yes, yes. Equal group, yeah, yeah. Groups of, yeah, yeah. Lots of, yeah, yeah. Multiply, yeah, yeah. Multiplied by, yeah, yeah. Per, yes, yes. Times, yes, yes. Product of, yes, yes. So these are the keywords of multiplication. Now children, I am going to start the multiplication of the large number. So here children, this is the format of the multiplication. The first digit, that is 14, it's a multiplication sign, and then below the 14 it's 23 is written. 14 is multiplicand. 14 is multiplicand. What is the multiplicand? The number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number, that is 14, which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. And what is 23 is a multiplier. The number by which we multiply, is a multiplier. And the result we get after multiplication, is product. So this is the sign of multiplication, children. Now children, let's we move ahead. Now, in the previous class, I have explained question number 1 of unit number 3, worksheet number 1. Now today I am going to explain question number 2, multiply. So A, 431 by 721. Here 431 is a multiplicand because this number is to be multiplied, and 721 is a multiplier. So firstly we write this multiplier 721 as in a expanded notation. This is 700 plus 2020 plus 1. It can be also written as 700 plus 2 tens plus 1 ones. So this is the place value. The place value of each digit is added. Okay, then this form is called expanded notation form. So firstly we write down this multiplier in expanded notation form. Now I will write down this multiplicand and multiplier in a place value chart. So I am making the place value chart. I have made it ones, tens, 100. Firstly I will write down this multiplicand 431. That is 1 ones, 3 tens and 400. Now below this multiplicand I will write multiplier 721. This is the sign of cross sign of multiplication. I will start to do the multiplication. So here children, in multiplication we will start from the ones place value. This is the first rule, and the second rule is that we have to follow some steps. This is the first step. We have to multiply the ones place digit of the multiplier. Firstly, we will multiply the multiplicand with the ones place digit of the multiplier. So what is the multiplicand? 431 will be multiplied by ones place digit of this multiplier 721. Which digit is at the ones place? So 1. So I will multiply 431 with 1. So let's start. 1 1 za 1, 1 3 za 3, 1 4 za 4. Okay. Now second step. What is the second step? Second step, I will multiply this multiplicand 431 with 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 is having 1 0, 2 0. There is a rule in the multiplication, children. Whenever a number is having 0 in the right side of the, when the 0 is at the right side of the number and that number is multiplied with another number, then in the product that 0, if a number is having 1 0 at the right side of the number, then in the product that 0 will be also at the right side of the number. So here 431 will be multiplied by 2020. 2 tens 20. 2 is having single 0. So as 2 is having 1 0 to the right side of the 2, similarly in the product we write the 0 to the right side of the product. Now we will start to use the multiplication table of 2 in order to multiply 431, that is multiplicand. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. We have to follow also place value chart. Third option. What is the third option, children? Third option, we have to multiply 431 with 700. So what is the place value of 7? 700. 700. So 431 will be multiplied by 700. Since 7 is having 20 to the right side of 7, so in the product also the product will have 20 to the right side of the product. Okay, now I will start the multiplication. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 2 carry over, 7 fours are 20, 8 plus 2 30. Now last step, that is fourth step, is the product. What is the product? We add first step, second step plus third step. So let's do addition. We start addition from the ones place. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Now come to tens place. 3 plus 2 plus 0, 5. Come to hundreds place. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry over. So carry over will go in the thousands place. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. Again 1 will go as a carryover on the 10,000 place. So adding 10,000, taking this carryover 1 10,000, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 3 will be written as it is. So what is the product? Product is 3,10,751. Now children, let's take another example. Another example is 8b. 821 is multiplied by 621. So here 821 is a multiplicand and 621 is a multiplier. So firstly we will expand the multiplier. We will write the multiplier in expanded notation. So what is the place value of 6? 600. What plus? What is the place value of 2? 20. What is the place value of 1? 1. It can be also written as 600 plus 2 tens plus 1, 1. So here we will make a place value chart. 100 tens ones. Now we will insert firstly this multiplicand 821 and then below that I will write multiplier 621. Put down the multiplication sign. Now start the multiplication. We will start from the where? Extreme right side from ones place. So first step, what we will do? We will multiply 821 with 1. 821 will multiply with 1. So let's start. 1 whose 1? It is a 1 is of this multiplier 621. So start. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 eights are 8. Okay. Now second step. What is the second step, children? Second step is to multiply the multiplicand 821 with the tens place digit of multiplier, which is 2 tens. So it will 2 tens means 20. Since 20 is having 1 0 to the right side of the 2, so in the product will also 1 0 to the right side of the product. Now let's start the product. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. Right. Now come to third. This 821 will be multiplied by which place digit of the multiplier? 600 place. So 600. Since 600 is having 20 to the right side, so the product will also 20 to the right side of the product. Now we'll start the multiplication. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 2, 1 carryover, 6 eights are 48 plus 1, 49. Now we will add it. Now the fourth step is to add all the first, second and third in order to get the product. So we will add first step plus second step plus third step. So now let's add, starting from the ones place. 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. Now come to tens place. 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4. Now come to hundreds. 8 plus 4 plus 6, 18, 8. I will write down 8 in the 100 column. 1 will taken as a carryover in the 1000 column. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Now come to the next 10,000 column. 1 10,000 plus 9 10,000 is 10 10,000. So 0 will be in the 10,000 column, and 1 10 will be 10 will go as a 1 lakh on the as a carryover. Now we added 4 plus 1, 5. So here the product is 5,09,841. Now come to the children. Question number 3. Find the product. Product and multiplication, the meaning are same. Their meaning are same. So A, I'm going to deal with it. 437 into 211. So this 437 is a multiplicand and 211 is a multiplier. So I will write this multiplier in expanded notation according to the place value of the digit. 2, the place value of 2 is 200, then plus 110 plus 1. It means in another language 200 plus 110 plus 1. This is expanded form. So for multiplication, children, I will insert these two multiplicand and multiplier in a place value chart. Right? Now here, firstly I am writing what I will write, children? Multiplicand. 437 is multiplicand. Okay. Below multiplicand I will write multiplier 211. I will put multiplication sign. Now we will start the multiplication. In the multiplication, from which side we will start, children? Right side. And from which place value? The lowest place value, that is ones. So here first step is we have to multiply 437 with 1. 1 1. 437 will multiply it with 1 1. So let's start. 7 ones are 7, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4. Right? Now second step. Second step is also 437 will multiplied by 110. 437 will be multiplied by 110. Since 110 is having 1 0 after 1 towards the right side. So here, children, in the second step we will multiply by 437 with 110. 110 is having 1 0 to the right side of 1. So in product also, the product will also have 1 0 to the right side of the product. Now let's start to multiplying 110 with what? With 437. So 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Now third step. What is third step, children? Third step is to multiply 437 with 200. 437 will be multiplied by 200. So 200 is having 20 towards the right side of 2. So the product will also 20 towards the right side of the product. Now we will start the multiplication table of 2. 2 sevens are 14, 4, 1 carry over, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7, 2 fours are 8. Now fourth step. What is fourth step? Fourth step is product. We will add first step plus second step plus third step. So here first step, second step, third step we will add. So 7 starting from the ones place value. 7 ones, 0 ones plus 0 ones, 7 ones. Now come to tens, 3 tens plus 7 tens plus 0 tens, 10 10. So 0 will be in the tens place and 1 will be taken as a carryover in the hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 2 again I will take 2 tens 200. 2 will be written in the hundreds place and 1000 that is will become 1000. It will go as a carryover in the thousand place. So 4 plus 1 5 and plus 7 12 2 1 carryover, then 1 will come here 10,000 place. So 8 plus 1 9. So the product is 92,207. Now children, come to the another example. 1732 is multiplied by 259. So here 259 is a multiplier. So I will write this 259 in an expanded form. 200 plus 50 plus 9. Now I will firstly make place value chart. How many digits are there in the multiplicand? 1 2 3 4 4 digits. So 4 places in the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now I will write down multiplicand 1732. Below the multiplicand I will write multiplier 259. So 9 will be in the ones place, 5 will be tens place, 2 will be 100 place, and putting the sign of multiplication I will start multiplication. Multiplication will be always started from the ones place of the multiplier. So first step, following the first step we will start from the ones place of the from the right side of the multiplication. So first and second step we will start the multiplying from the ones place of the multiplier, that is in multiplier 259 9 is at the ones place, 9 is at the 259 9 is at the ones place. So 1732 will be multiplied by 9. So let's start. 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carry over, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28, 2 carry over, 9 7s are 63 plus 2 65, 6 carry over, 9 1s are 9 plus 6 15. Now come to the second step. 1732 will be multiplied by this 5 tenths. So 50. So 50 is having 1 0 to the right side of 5. So here in product also there will be 1 0 to the right side of the product. Now let's start the multiplying with 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry over, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry over, 5 7 is 35 plus 1 36, 1 carry over, 5 1 are 5 and 3 it's 8. Right, now come to multiplying third step. Let's start. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry over, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry over, 5 7s are 35 1 36, 3 carry over, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. Now third step is multiplying 1732 with this 200. So 200 is having 2 0 to the right side of the 2. So in the product also 2 0 will be to the right side of the product. Now let's start the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 4, 1 carry over, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now we will do the addition. Fourth step we will add first step plus second plus third. So this is the product. Okay, now starting from the ones place value, 8 plus 0 plus 0 it's 8, 8 plus 0 plus 0 it's 8, 6 plus 4 plus 5 15, 5 1 carry over, 12 plus 2 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13 plus 5 18, 18 8 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14, 1 carry over, 3 plus 1 4. So here the product is 4,48,588. Now children, there is a question, is question number 4. Using the digits 3, 1 and 5 only once, write the smallest and the largest 3-digit numbers. Also find their product. So children, firstly you have to write down the largest 3-digit number. So the largest 3-digit number using these 3 digit 315 is 531. Okay, and the smallest 3-digit number using 315, smallest 3-digit number is equal to 1, 3 and 5. Then we have to find what? Product. Product means we have to multiply 531 and 135. So 531 is a multiplicand here and 135 is a multiplier. You can reverse it also, change the order also. So here I am keeping this 135 as a multiplier. So multiplier, it is expanded, 100 plus 30 plus 5. So I will make the place value chart and then I will insert. Firstly I will write multiplicand 531. Below that I will write multiplier 135. Then I will do the multiplication. Start from the ones place. Starting from the 531 will be multiplied by what? 5 ones. 5 ones of 135. Start the table. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5, 1 carry over, 5 5 is a 25 plus 1, 26. Now come 3. So 531 will be multiplied by 30. Value of 3 is 30. So 30 is having 1 0 to the right side of the 3. So in the product will also 1 0 to the right side of the product. So 3 ones are, start the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. Now come to the third step is 531 will be multiplied by what? 100. 531 will be multiplied by 531. 531 will be multiplied by 100. This is the third step. So 100 is having 20 to the right side. So here 20 I will also write. And now start the table. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3 and 1 fives are 5. Now we will add. Addition 4 step, I will add the 3 step. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 3 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16. 1 carry over. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So here it is 71,685 is the product of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number of using the digit 3, 1 and 5. So children, here I am giving you some homework. That is, you have to multiply 345 and 264. 195 will be multiplied by 100. 235 will be multiplied by 150. So this is your homework, and classwork is you have to do this unit 3 worksheet 2. Question number 2 is your C work and question number 3 and 4 is your H work. Bye bye children. And children, I think you have enjoyed my session, and if you have any problem or any doubt, then you can contact me through my WhatsApp number without any hesitation. Okay, I am available for you every time. I am available for you. Bye bye children. Have a nice